Good morning, students. Welcome back to Alchemy online class. How are you, my dear? Fine. Well, so kids, in our last class, what we have learned? Yes, we learned about safety rules at home and at school. Today, my dear, we're going to learn about the safety rules on the road and in the playground. First, we'll learn about the safety rules on the road. So, in the screen, I have shown you some of the safety rules. So, what is number one? Yes, always walk on the footpath or on a safe side of the road. It is very important. We have to walk on the footpath. And the second rule, use the zebra crossing. In the picture, I have shown you the picture of zebra crossing. You have to use that zebra crossing or an overhead bridge or a subway to cross the road. Look to your right, then left and right again before crossing the road. Cross the road when the road is cleared and when the traffic light is stopped. Understood what I said? And the third important point is, while cycling, keep your left. Use your hands to signal before turning left or right. While getting on or off a bus or train, make a queue, which is very important. You should not get into the bus in a rush. You should not hit others. It should be in a queue. Do not put your head or hands out of a moving vehicles. Do not get into or get off a moving bus or train. It is not good, because from moving bus or train, what will happen if you get out? You will fall down and you will get injured. Always wear a seat belt while traveling by car. Do not play in the road. It is again very important. Always wear helmet while traveling on two-wheeler. So kids, we have to be alert on the road and follow these rules. Understood? Now we're going to learn about the safety rules in the playground. This is very important. Okay, so now coming to the first point, do not push others while playing on a swing, merry-go-round, or a seesaw. Stand away from the swing and wait for your turn. And the second point, do not play on a wet field or you may slip and get injured. Do not hit others with the things such as bat or a racket. First of all, kids, while playing in games or anything, you should not fight and beat. Understood? And moreover, you should not hit others with a bat or racket. Always follow the rules of the game that you are playing. Every game have certain rules. How you love cricket, many of you love cricket. Cricket also having a rules, right? So like that, every game having a rule. When you follow the game's rule, what will happen? There won't be any fight, and you won't quarrel among yourself, right? Among the teams. So you have to follow the rules. Understood? So kids, these were all the things which you have to keep in mind while playing. Clear? Now I request you to open page number 52 of your course book. There you can see I wish I knew is there. Are you able to see? The world's first traffic light was put up in London in 1868. It was a revolving lantern with only two signals, red and green. A policeman operated it manually. So you have to know about this. Understood? So I'll give you 2 minutes. Please do the activity, the checkpoint which is given in page number 52 of your course book. 5 statements were given. You have to write whether the statement is true or false. Okay, do it now. Very good. So what is the first one? Never walk on the middle of the road. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. We should not walk, right? Never use zebra crossing. Never use. We should not use zebra crossing. The statement is false. While crossing the road, we have to use zebra crossing. Very good. Now, what is the third one? Always wear seat belt while traveling by car. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Good. Always get into or get off a moving bus or a train. It is true or false? We should get into or get off of a bus or of a moving bus or train. No. So the statement is false. And the last statement, we can run up and down the staircase in school. We can run like that. I have taught you that I have said that can run. No, we should not run. Right? We should go in a queue. So the statement is false. Well, kids, there is a small video clip for the safety rules on road. Please go through it.
Safety rules on the road. Safety rules on the road must be followed by all people driving vehicles and those who are walking on the road. While walking on the road, always walk on the footpath. Make sure you have an adult with you while crossing the road. Use a zebra crossing, an overhead bridge, or a subway to cross the road. Wait for the walk signal to become green and then cross the road. Before crossing the road, follow the simple rule. Look right, look left, look right again. If the road is clear, only then cross. Keep your headphones off when you are on the road. When you are traveling in a vehicle, never put your hand, leg, or head out of a moving vehicle. Never get in or get off from a moving bus. Wait for the bus to stop and then get inside or off a bus in a queue. Make sure you are wearing your seat belts when traveling in a car. If you are traveling on a two-wheeler, make sure you and the driver both have worn helmets. Cyclists should keep to their left. Before turning, they must alert others on road by signaling with their hands. And lastly, never play on road, even if the road is empty. Following these
I believe, dear, you have gone through the video clip. So, kids, in today's session, we learned about the safety rules on the road and also the safety rules to be followed in the playground. Right? Kids, I believe you will follow this in your day-to-day life. With this, our session gets over. In our next class, we'll learn something new. Till then, bye-bye.